Running simple flows with Power Automate. On this month's Tips and Tricks by Planet Technologies. You don't have to be some guru to get started running your own flows in Power Automate. Watch how I create a flow that automatically imports answers from a form into a list in SharePoint. First things first, if you're not familiar with branching logic, go create some Microsoft forms with branching questions and come back when you feel comfortable. If you've completed a few branched forms, you should be able to create simple flows. Next, we'll use SharePoint forms and a bonus Outlook connector today to create actions and triggers for this flow. Remember, connectors are the areas that the flow is pulling data from. A trigger is the event that starts the flow, and an action is the thing you want to happen when the trigger takes place. Let's get started. I already have my form, so the next step is to create my list in a SharePoint site. I'll go to Settings, Site Contents, and then New List. I'll use the results that I exported to Excel to create the columns of my new list. When I'm done formatting my columns, I'll name the list, and now I'm ready to create my flow in Power Automate. And I'm going to save a lot of time by using the template called Record Form Responses in SharePoint. I'll pick my form and create items on the list by selecting different dynamic elements. Dynamic content can be answers to questions and start or submission time of the form you distributed. Here are live submissions coming through as people complete my form. I can apply conditional formatting like data bars and icons for quick insights. That's all the time we have for this video. If you want a visual map of the form's flow, subscribe to our channel and visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.